Let's navigate the terrain of upcoming economic news and events to anticipate their effects on currency pairs and cryptocurrencies.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Are you interested in copy trading? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
We sincerely appreciate your attention. TRXUSD Forex Academy offers weekly forex and crypto analysis and forecast, empowering you to make informed decisions. Stay ahead with our daily forex and crypto signals. Show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing for profitable signals and comprehensive analysis.